What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So anyone that's been following us for quite a while now has not really seen much of my car or Cole's car because this thing has consumed every bit of our life for the past, what, 8-9 months. So that's for another video, which I'm not going to show you guys. It's kind of a secret right now on what the final result is. However, there is a ton of videos on this car. If you haven't been following us, go check them out. I'll put a link above. But anyways, let's get to what this video is about. So finally, Frankenkart is going to get a little bit of love. So got some stuff from Jegs here. You can kind of tell from these packages what this is. They look like seats. And then there's some more stuff in there. So I'm going to get to unboxing those real quick. I'm going to show you guys unboxing them, showing what I got. And then we are going to install some stuff in the Frankenkart and give that guy some love because it has been extremely neglected. It is so dirty. It's incredible just from sitting around doing nothing. So let's get to it. All right, let's start with the obvious first. Got some aluminum racing seats now. Oh my God, these things are light. Here's the part number, if everyone's interested. Just gotta measure for your width, and that's about it. And then in the other box will be the pads for this guy to make him comfy. So let's go and open up the other one real quick. There we go. And one to match. I tell you, this is one upgrade that needed to be done because those freaking budget seats, they're not going to hold you in if you get in a wreck. These will actually hold you in there. So this is a much needed upgrade. Got some Jegs seat covers. So they got foam to make them more comfortable, because obviously you look at that and you're like, that's not going to be comfortable. These will make it comfortable. Look at that. That's pretty nice. And they just plop right in there, and they got buttons. Get those all buttoned in there. Number 2. So there you go. Get a close up. See, we got buttons right there. Slips over the back here. Got all the holes for the restraints on the sides, the middle. Nice fabric. Really like that. It's not leather, because that, you know, everyone that's racing is in the heat and it's gonna get hot, and this will keep you cool. So I am ready to put these seats in. I've been waiting to put something like this in there for a long time. And then got some seat belts. Mine are expired. So I'll show you more of these once I open them up. I don't feel like opening them up right now because we're not ready for them. So let's get those seats in my car. And if you guys are interested in buying seats like this or anything from Jegs, please use our link below. There's special discounts in there for you guys, and it also helps us out. So let's get these guys installed. These are a huge difference from what I had before. So I'd have to say, if you guys ever have to buy seats, do a little more research and don't just buy whatever like I did. Like these Chinese piece of crap seats are heavy as heck. Get, you know, something nice. If you plan on racing, get a race seat. If you plan on just driving on the street, get a nice seat for the street. However, these are really actually more comfortable than I thought. I knew they're gonna be comfortable because they're gonna form your body completely, but oh my God. One little thing though, it's gonna lower your butt, which is kind of good because helmet room in this car was nil to nothing. I'll show you a little clip right here with Cole in the car. He's taller than I am and he did not fit in this car at all.
So this is gonna be interesting. I'm wearing a rented helmet. My head barely fits in here. My legs are bunched up, so hopefully I don't drop the clutch wrong and it kills it.
But let me show you what it looks like right now. So not mounted yet, but it is a big difference from those seats. You can tell how high that seat over there is compared to how low this one is, but it looks like a legit racing car now. I'm gonna have to get used to it because I'm gonna be sitting a little bit lower in the car now, but which is good because right here, it was really tight. So, I mean, obviously this is my first car I ever built. So there was a couple things that were afterthoughts and the steering wheel ended up being one of them. Kinda ended up being a lot lower than I thought. Anyways, enough of me blabbing. Let's get these seats in and I'll show you the end result on how this is gonna look. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I recommend these seats. All right, got the new seats are in, new seat belts are in, and man, that is way more comfortable. I want to show you kind of a side-by-side comparison of these two. Substantially smaller, and this guy right here probably weighs about 30 pounds. This one here, I bet you between 5 and 10. So huge difference in weight. A lot more comfortable and a lot safer in my opinion. So I'm not going to bore you with another time lapse. I'm going to go ahead and get the other one put in and then show you what it looks like. All right guys, seats are in. Look at this. Look at all this headroom I got. Look at all the support I got. Tons of support. Oh man, these things are comfy. I highly recommend these seats. Don't buy cheap seats. I think those other seats were actually a little bit more expensive than these and they were garbage. So if you plan on swapping out seats, I highly suggest you get these Jegs racing seats. They're super comfy. Don't be deceived by the pictures. You know, you look at an aluminum seat and you're just like, oh, that's not gonna be comfortable. They are super comfy. There's a lot more padding than they show in the pictures in these covers. And the covers are replaceable, which is awesome because as they wear out, you can just swap them out for new ones. You don't have to buy a whole new seat or get someone to reupholster it. You just get a new seat. But stay tuned, guys, for that car over there. Here in about 2 to 3 weeks, CT is coming to town. He's gonna get the car and we're gonna be making a video of him receiving the car and you guys are gonna see the finished product, which is amazing. But enough about that. Frankenkart got some love today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and check us out next time.